Tropical storm Hannah drenching the Texas Gulf Coast. The storm roared ashore as a hurricane yesterday. Winds and drenching rains have destroyed boats, flooded streets, knocked out power to at least 150,000 people. A funeral home is among the structures damaged. Only minor injuries have been reported. Well, it is drier here at home, but we are tracking storms for the work week. Not to mention a lot of 90s on your board there, Lauren Casey. Bring us up to speed.
Absolutely, yeah. First up, Joe, we're going to check in on the tropics. We have Hannah in South Texas right now, just recently downgraded to a tropical depression, but still posing a flash flooding threat. You can see all of that heavy rain in extreme southern Texas, west of Brownsville. Training are moving over the same areas again and again. Also in the eastern Pacific, we have Hurricane Douglas right now bearing down on Hawaii. So there's Oahu right now, capital city Honolulu. That storm is moving west-northwest bound, approaching Oahu, and could potentially make a landfall on Hawaii as we head tonight and into the day tomorrow, or even as we look towards Sunday evening, Monday morning, potentially a landfall on Kauai. If Hurricane Douglas, a Category 1 storm, does make landfall on the state, it will be the first time a hurricane has made landfall on Hawaii since 1992. Storm Scan 3 showing us quiet conditions. We did have a couple of pinhead showers pop up mainly over South Jersey earlier in the day. I felt one raindrop in the city, and we had a couple of showers working through the Brigantine area over the last several hours, otherwise drying things out. And getting a live look right now at the city, the Benjamin Franklin Parkway. A lot of sunshine in the scene, a little bit of haze as well because it is hot out there. 90 degrees right now in Allentown. We're at 89 in Northeast Philly, 92 in Doylestown. A lot of 90s on the board, as Joe was saying. 93 right now in the city, 92 in Chester. As we move towards the shore, temperatures also up into the 90s. No sea breeze kicking right now. You're sweating it out in Wildwood, 91 degrees, and 90 in Rehoboth Beach. So we're hot all across the region, but we do have a gradient in our dew point temperatures. Dew points have dropped off into the 50s in the Poconos, the Lehigh Valley, so feeling much more comfortable humidity wise. That, though, not the case closer to the shore. Portions of Delaware where dew points are well up into the low 70s. It's downright steamy. We're getting a little bit of reprieve right now in Philadelphia after a steamy start to the day. Our dew points have fallen back into the low 60s. So overnight tonight, mostly clear and staying warm with a little bit of a southwest wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour. For our day tomorrow, how about 97 degrees? I think that qualifies as scorching. I know. Wow. I heard from Joe. That would tie for the hottest day of the year, which occurred on July 3rd earlier this month. So maybe you're down the shore. It's going to be hot there too. 93 degrees, very high UV index. Check out that water temperature up to 80 degrees, but feel free to take a dip. Rip current risk is low tomorrow. Wave heights around 2 feet. As we fast forward to Tuesday, though, that's when we do have a chance at some scattered storms developing in association with a cold front. You could be on the strong, even isolated severe side. We are at a marginal risk of severe weather on Tuesday, so we'll quickly walk you through some of our model data. We're a little ways out so far, but early afternoon seeing some showers and storms popping west of I-95, moving towards the city in South Jersey as we head into the second half of the afternoon and early evening hours. So be sure to stay tuned to the evolving forecast for Tuesday and that storm threat, and of course be weather aware. As we head into Wednesday, we'll see a chance of a spotty storm. Temperatures still up there in the low 90s on Thursday, but Joe, a big break in the humidity coming by then.
Thank you, Lauren Casey.